When you're looking to save money on watering your flower beds, the thing you need to do is make sure you get that water right where it's needed, right around the roots, and reduce the amount of evaporation. You can do that by using a soaker hose. Soaker hose is a very inexpensive type of hose that basically allows water just to seep right out on all parts of the hose. That way you can weave it in and around the plants, even bury it under the mulch if you want, so that that water can go straight to the roots, and again, reducing the amount of evaporation. Another way of doing it is through drip irrigation that you can hook to a regular hose, or you can integrate it into your existing irrigation system. And they even have a lot of do-it-yourself kits that make it very easy to handle all of that work yourself. Either way, the plants will love it, and if you really want to save some more, make sure you have plenty of mulch to retain that moisture.